American pride, something you feel inside, something you can't describe. American pride. Dad said, son, I'm proud you won, but the game is more than any toy. Mama said, now son, say sir and say ma'am, and be proud you're Southern born. You play when you're hurt, and you work when you're tired, 'cause that was Grandpa's way. And the biscuits are better at Granny's house, and the gravy tastes great all day. American pride, yes it is, something you feel inside, something you can't describe, something you cannot hide. American pride, something you feel inside. Traditions run deep and wide with American pride. When a baby is born, we all celebrate with tears of joy in family eyes, 'cause we all know the baby will grow up with American pride. Yeah, we work and we play and we have our own ways, and we don't all look alike. But if the cause is right, we stand up and fight to protect our American pride. Sing it, sing it, sing it. American pride, yes it is, it's something you feel inside, it's something you can't describe, it's something you cannot hide. American pride, it's something you feel inside. Traditions run deep and wide